and regulatory aspects of banking. With respect to preferential payment, depositors in saving bank accounts up to 250 is equal to, and then the other depositors up to 250 is equal to get priority over other creditors. After making these payments, the balance will be for general creditors. The balance left out is then allocated for payment of further amounts due to the depositors. A paying banker has to return an instrument for the reason the cash credit limit is fully utilized. The paid-up capital of a banking company represents amount collected. Provisions of Banking Regulation Act applicable to State Cooperative Bank, Central Cooperative Bank and Primary Cooperative Bank. A committee established under the regulations framed by Reserve Bank of India under Section 58 of the Reserve Bank of India Act to exercise powers of supervision and regulation under the Act, and the BR Act is Board for Financial Supervision. The RBI is empowered to order amalgamation of two banking companies under Section 396 of the Companies Act, but such power has to be exercised only after consultation with the central government. Answer: RBI is not empowered, but central government is empowered and they have to consult RBI. Every banking company to maintain in India certain amount of assets as per Section 25 of the BR Act. Accordingly, at the close of the business on the last Friday of every quarter, such assets shall not be less than 25% of the demand and time liabilities of the banking company in India. Answer: 75% is correct. The liquidator has to make a preliminary report to the High Court within 3 months of the winding up order on the availability of assets for making preferential payments under Section 530 of the Companies Act and for discharging liabilities to depositors and other creditors. Answer: within 2 months. Buying or selling or bartering of goods directly or indirectly is not permitted in banking business. Acquire, construct and maintain any building for its own purpose, negotiating of loans and advances, undertake and execute trusts are permitted in the banking business. Acceptance of deposits by non-banking financial companies is regulated by RBI. A person qualified to act as an auditor of companies under Section 226 of the Companies Act is qualified to be an auditor of RRB. RRBs were first set up in 1975 under the Regional Rural Banks Ordinance 1975. The ordinance was later replaced by the Regional Rural Banks Act 1976. The central government is empowered to give directions to RRBs on matters of policy involving public interest. A collecting banker will not get protection on an uncrossed check. A national bank has to hold an annual general meeting of shareholders within 6 weeks of the date of forwarding the balance sheet, and related statements or returns to the central government. Protection is available under the provisions of NI Act 1881 to a banker when there is a material alteration on the check, which is not visible to have been altered. Signature of the drawer is genuine and matching with the mandate. If the compensation offered by the government or the transferee bank is not acceptable to any person to whom such compensation is payable, he may request the RBI to refer the matter to the bifinal. Answer: it is not RBI but central government. For cooperative banks, RBI permission is a must. The additional director may be appointed by the RBI in the interest of the banking policy, in the public interest, in the interest of the depositors of the banking company. The directors of a banking company shall not hold office for more than 8 years continuously. However, it is not applicable to the chairman. Answer: not only chairman but also a whole-time director. Collection of third-party check is not prohibited. RRB 35%, sponsor bank 50%, central bank 15%, state bank. RBI provides temporary advances to meet immediate needs when there is interval between expenditure and fall of revenue. Such facilities are provided to both central and state governments. Answer: V's and Me's advances. Common area banks, RRBs, satellite banks or banking companies operating in any area. Apart from giving various directions, RBI may also caution and give advices. The shareholders of an Aqua Bank have a right to get compensation under Section 36AG of the Whole Banking Regulation Act. The amount therefore will be determined as provided in the 5th schedule to the Act after consultation with RBI. While general credit controls operate on the cost and the total volume of credit, this aim at regulating the distribution of bank resources to particular sector of the economy. Answer: selective credit control. The banking ombudsman passes an order after affording the parties reasonable opportunity to present their case. The holding of shares by a banking company in any company as pledgee, mortgagee or absolute owner shall not exceed 30% of the paid-up capital of that company or the paid-up capital and reserves of the banking company. Payment of dividend to shareholders by banking companies is as per Section 15 of the RBI Act. The director of a banking company is exempted under Section 10 of the BR Act from the requirement of holding qualification shares. Answer: the whole-time chairman or the managing director. A bank has paid a forged check. They filed a suit against the collecting banker as well as the payee who received the money. Whether Droi Bank would succeed? No. RBI previous approval required in respect of a banking company or appointment of auditor, reappointment of auditor, removal of auditor. As per Banking Regulation Act, nomination facility is applicable in respect of deposits, safe custody articles, safe depository lockers. With respect to banking ombudsman, failure to honor LC commitment, non-issue of drafts to non-customers. In State Bank of India and subsidiary banks, the appointment of auditors is done by RBI in consultation with the central government. Loans charging exorbitant rates of interest is usurious loan. Return on unclaimed deposits to cover all deposits not operated for 10 years. A collecting banker will get protection under the NI Act 1881 only when he collects a check for his customer as an agent collects a cross check. On an order check, the word order has been altered as bearer. The check has been received at the front officer for payments. The counter clerk refused payments on the ground alteration needs the full signature of the drawer. He is not incorrect since it is a material alteration. Relationship between customer banker is deposit equal to customer plus debtor. Deposit equal to creditor plus debtor. Part of Section 131 of NI Act 1881, protection to collecting banker. The banker to act in good faith and without negligence. The check so collected must have been crossed generally or specially before received by the collecting banker. In the absence of the whole-time chairman of the managing director due to death, resignation or illness, temporary arrangement can be made for a period not exceeding 4 months with RBI approval. Apart from making regular inspection, Reserve Bank is also empowered to conduct scrutiny. Every banking company has to prepare its balance sheet and profit and loss account as stipulated in Section 29 of the BR Act. With regard to foreign banks have to deposit with RBI 20 lakhs when they have place of business in Kolkata. 20% of the profit in India to be deposited with RBI. The securities deposited can be replaced. A Droi bank will get protection in respect of when the payee signature is forged. For unclaimed deposit in respect of reinvestment plan term deposit, the same will figure in return, provided the period of 10 years starts from the expiry period of the deposit.